Okay, this is for Ospanol, my good mate, who's concerned that the pins removed from this 2006 American wiring harness for the VFR aren't right. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to show you me removing one of these pins as best as I can with the camera sitting somewhere, and then I can show you what the pins look like so you can see that I'm right. So I can prove to you it's from the right harness. Let's do what we can. Alright, so I'm going to pick, I don't know, one of these pins, any one of them, and essentially the pinholes are these tiny, the pinholes are these tiny ones here, and the actual locking tab is the larger hole. So I'm going to go with this top one here, which is grey, and see if I can get that locking tab out. It's not that easy to get them out, but once you do, they pop out fairly easily. You've just got to get in there and lever the thing. There we go. Okay. Let me get this in better light. Whoa. So we can get a focus on that. Come on, focus. You can see how very small and square that pin is. That's exactly what I sent, and it came from that. So hopefully that proves it. If I can get a bit of focus for you. Focus. It's very hard to get something that close. That's what they look like.